guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and let's get right into this video. So today we're going to be doing some nails. I've been wanting to do this nail set all month. Like, I've been waiting to do this nail set. Now is finally the time. Basically, what we're gonna need is just some simple stuff. We're gonna need some white and clear polygel, and then we're gonna need some yellow, red, and black gel polish, and that's about all we need for this nail set. So yeah, let's just get right into it. Okay, so here are my natural nails. I already did the nail prep. Here's how they are looking. Yeah, I decided to do nail prep today just to speed up this video a little bit. If you want to see how I do my nail prep, I do that in almost all my other videos. So yeah, you can go check out my last videos if you want to see how I do my nail prep. So we're just going to start off by gluing on the nail tips. I have these NotPolish nail tips right here, and I'm just going to size these out. So I'm just going to glue these nail tips on using some base coat. Okay, so here are how the nail tips are looking after I glued them all on. Honestly, I want them to be long, but I don't think I can leave them this long. So we're going to cut down like a tiny sliver. Okay, I think this is a good length. I didn't really trim it that much. But next step is to just reshape these nail tips a little. As you can see here, the nail tip kind of hangs off my nail, so I just kind of straighten that out. And I also straighten out like the tip of the nail here. Okay, so after I have the nail tips a little bit reshaped, I'm just going to take my sanding band and I'm going to remove the shine from the nail tips. Okay, now I'm just going to add on a layer of base coat to each of the nails. Okay, so I actually found this yellow polygel that I'm going to use instead of the yellow gel polish. I hope it's going to be like opaque. I don't want it to be see-through. So we're just going to use this yellow color on the pointer finger. I'm just going to do these nails in 2 beads, I think. So I'm going to start at the tip of the nail. And I actually think this color is going to be exactly what I need. It doesn't seem to be too see-through right now. So yeah, I'm just going to smooth this out. I'm only going to be doing the tip of the nail first because these nails are kind of long, and doing long nails in 2 beads is like, it kind of helps to make the apex a little more. Okay, so here's how the nail is looking so far. So we're just going to cure this in the nail lamp, just how it is right now. Okay, and now we're just going to finish this nail by putting a large bead near the cuticle area and kind of putting some on the rest of the nail like this. Then we're just going to smooth this all out. Okay, next nails, the middle finger and the ring finger are both going to be white nails. Okay, and onto the pinky nail. I'm going to be using this black Astound Beauty Polygel. I think this one is glow in the dark. I was just gonna make this nail clear and like paint it black, but I think we're gonna try this black polygel. Now it's not really like super black. It kind of looks like a really dark blue, but we'll try it and see. Okay, well, you see, I feel played. This is not what I wanted. I don't know why it turned this, like, this color. It does slightly glow in the dark, kind of glows a dark blue, but I'm pretty disappointed. So I'm just gonna finish this nail in the polygel and then I'm gonna paint it black. Okay, so here are how the nails are looking after I have shaped them all. This pinky nail is not exactly what I wanted. It turned that light gray color, but then after I put it on the second layer, only this part is the light gray color and this part is like the dark gray black. I don't know. I'm just gonna paint over that. I don't. Okay, so I have my hand file and my Makartt dust collector and I'm just gonna get reshaping these nails. Okay, so let's just get into this nail art. I'm just going to be starting off by painting a layer of top coat on the nails. So on this pointer finger, this is going to be the red balloon nail. I just started off by making a circle and kind of making it like an oval, but not really too oval because I still want it to be round at the top. And then I made like the little area where you tie the end of the balloon. And then I added on the string. And that's how the balloon is looking. So onto the Pennywise nails, the middle finger and the ring finger are both going to be like Pennywise's like eyes and his like makeup and stuff. And I already did the middle finger because I needed a reference, because the reference picture I had was on my phone and I was recording on my phone and I didn't have anything else to like look at the picture at. So I just kind of did the middle finger off camera and then I used that as my reference for the ring finger. So yeah, we're just starting off by making like the eye shape. I'm gonna be honest, guys. I never watched the It movie. I've never watched any It movies. I only know like Pennywise and the little kid and the red balloon. That's all I know. I don't know a story or anything. I'll watch it one day. I don't know when, but I'll watch it. Anyway, back to the nail art. I did the eyebrow, but I kind of was out of frame when I did it, so I didn't get to show you guys that. But for the eye, like the eyeball, I did a yellow dot, and then I did a tinier black dot on top of that, and then I outlined the yellow in black. And then I started on like the red face makeup, I guess. I just love how it was turning out so far. I just think it looked so good. And I was pretty proud of myself. It took me a little bit of a long time, but still, I really like it. So onto the pinky nail. Yeah, sadly I did have to paint this nail black. I was like trying not to paint it black. I was like, okay, this black color could work. It made like the bottom of my nail light gray and then the rest of the nail was just that dark color. Like, why did it do that? I don't know. So I just had to paint it black. And then I wrote the loser lover thing. I don't know the meaning of that one either. So yeah, it was just in the picture, so that's how I did it. And I also didn't show you guys, but I did like the red V over the S. And then onto the thumbnail. We're just making the title of the movie like the same font and everything. We're just gonna be writing it on the thumbnail, and the thumbnail was the best part because it was the easiest one and it looked so good. I liked how it turned out and it was so easy. Alright, and now we're just going to finish off this nail set with some matte top coat. This nail set took me a very long time. I was up like almost all night doing this nail set, and so I started like editing this video kind of later in the day, and I wanted to get this up for you guys today because I still have one more nail set that I really want to do. So I can't like post this video tomorrow because tomorrow is Sunday and Sunday is Halloween and that's the last day. I can do some spooky nail sets. I mean, I guess I could do the nail sets like after Halloween, but I don't want to. I want it to be in October. So yeah, this video is a little bit shorter so that I could upload it like quicker today. So after adding on the matte top coat, I'm just going to be adding on some cuticle oil. Here are how the nails turned out. Let me know what you guys think of this nail set. I absolutely love it. I just think it looked so good. I think it turned out really well. Hardest nail I would say would be probably the Pennywise's eyes nails. They were fun, like honestly, because they were like, it was working out, but it was still a little bit hard. I don't know. I liked how they turned out. I think they're really cute. Anyway, guys, I had plans to trick-or-treat on Halloween with my sisters, but my older sister has work like at night, so we can't really go trick-or-treating anymore, so that's kind of canceled. And then we just wanted to do like a Halloween party, but that also didn't work out because there was something happening. And yeah, it's been a rough week, like really rough. I don't want to talk about it because I just don't want to talk about it, but it's been a rough week. So that's pretty much it for this video. My Halloween plans have been canceled. So the only spooky things I've been doing is nails. Anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will talk to you all tomorrow on Halloween. Bye!